I thought about going for a little darker and warmer shade, and I was able to find the honey and teak color that kind of sits well with the whole aesthetic of my house. Everything is rightly placed, it's super cohesive and super welcoming for others. It, like whenever you enter the house, you can get that feeling of warmth, and it kind of sits very well with the whole place and vibe that I was going forward with. So I was browsing online for my new home, and I was looking to some antique pieces for my new home, and I stumbled upon the website online. I really liked how the furniture had style at the same point of time. It had like long lasting quality. So it really intrigued me a lot, and that's why I visited the store nearby to look into the other further pieces that can fit well with my aesthetics and fit well with the elegant style that I was looking forward to in my house. I was looking forward to something that matched my aesthetics and was more bent towards having Shisham products that were, honey and teak color. So as soon as I went to Warden Street, I was able to get that quality, that elegant style, those aesthetics that I had in mind, plus the professional services that they provided. It made it a very easy decision to kind of, go ahead for the Warden Street as a brand. So it's a little difficult to choose among the most amazing styles and designs, but if I talk about my favorite will be this Dimitri dining table set of 6 that we bought. And I'll definitely have to say that it kind of elevates the whole place that we are. It's a very beautiful moment when the whole family gathers together for their lunches, dinners and everything. The teak wood and the shisham all together kind of elevates the whole house, and like it's an amazing experience, that it adds to the whole space of the dining area, and it's like the centerpiece of our dining day-to-day life. Yeah, absolutely a 10 on 10. I've already done that. The craftsmanship, the service, the installation was so smooth, so amazing that like the overall experience altogether has been a 10 on 10 for me. I've definitely, went ahead and share this experience with my friends and family in Delhi, and I've definitely logged them into the whole portal of Warden Street. Some of them have already visited this beautiful store in Dwarka. So yeah, it'll be a 10 on 10 for me. I'll go ahead and spread the word as much as I can. So I will say that my experience was extremely good, an excellent experience overall from start to finish. The whole consultant who led me through the whole process of finding the right furniture for my room, whether it be that or the installation process or the delivery process, that was completely on time. Like my whole house was looking the best at time and in prime. So from start to end, it was an amazing experience for me.